Okay, Agent Turquoise, and there is Handy Mandy, one of the most dangerous drug dealers in the world. We need you to go in there and possibly stop him. Right now, do it. Wait. You need a disguise. Everyone can tell that you're Agent Turquoise. I got it. Follow me.
Alright, so after I get done, I just radio you back in on my phone, right?
Yes, that's what you have to do. But first, you have to go in with the disguise. Like the rainbow, your hair must be your rainbow. Here's your wig. You want to put that on. We'll get the bandana so we cannot see your real hair. This gun doesn't even shoot. You're going to use it. You're going to go in there and you're going to kill Handy Mandy. Oh my God! It does shoot. Fuck. Freeze! I'm a cop. No. Okay, make sure you radio me in.
Oh, what is it?
Hello?
What are you here for? The party?
Yeah, I'm here for the party.
Well, come on in. Woo!
Scurvy with the Q.
Well, actually, it used to be with the Q. Now it's not with the Q. Come on. He'll let you in, so come on in.
I got what you need, dog!
Alright! What is it?
It's what you need, dog!
Can you specify what I need?
Man, you need to chill out.
Nah, man. What are you trying to sell me?
Man, I'm gonna need you to actually do this with me, dog. Like, just to test it out, just to, like, you know, cause I mean, this could be anything, but like,
Hey, man,
I need you to try this out first.
I ain't no chota. I ain't no chota, okay, homie? Homie?
Well, let's party then.
Okay, let's party then.
You tried the best stuff possible for your first time, man.
Freeze! Okay, this is Officer Turquoise. My name is John. We're gonna go good cop, bad cop on Handy Mandy. Let's go.
You're going nowhere in life!
We're going to a movie after this. A passionate one with lots of kissing.
And after that movie, go straight to Buttsville!
And then Candyland, because I like Candyland.
And after Candyland, you're gonna get some prison!
And then we're gonna buy new shoes together. Take it off. He's asleep.
Missed out this whole speech.
Well, there's only one way to wake him up. With a kiss.
Oh! Fuck me!
Gladly!
Oh, what are you guys doing to me, man?
I love you!
Trying to sell drugs to
love
kids?
You.
What's going on, man?
Selling out hugs, drugs? Huh, to kids? My age?
Police officers? Yes.
Maybe. Am I a cop? My badge says I'm a cop.
Oh, I'm gonna call my lawyer, man. You ain't gonna call shit. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah?
You broke my fucking cell phone, man!
Yeah, what cell phone?
That's
all
not-
I see there is your
You have the
grandpa.
right to remain silent.
That's sexy.
I have many rights.